Hi everybody, Matthias here, and in today's video I'm going to show you exactly how to withdraw your Sweatcoin to exchanges, but make sure that you watch this until the very end, so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. So what I'm going to do first is to actually close this app right here, and then what I'm going to do is to go into my browser. So you need to go into your browser and then go into Google, and now when you have come to Google, then you need to search for Near Wallet. So search for Near Wallet. And as you can see, we're now taken to this page right here. I'm just going to select this search result right here, and then I should be taken to the Near Wallet website in here, as you can see. And actually you need to create a Near Wallet account if you don't have one already, but I do have one already, as you can see. So what we're going to do now actually is to click. As you can see, there's a bunch of numbers like in the top. There's like a bunch of numbers in here. We need to click there. So click on the arrow pointing down, and as you can see, we're now taken to this page right here. I'm just going to scroll down, and we need to copy this link right here. So just click on this symbol right here to copy. So we need to copy our wallet number basically, and when you have done so, then we can actually close our browser, and then we can go back to our Sweat Wallet app. So I'm going to go back to my Sweat Wallet app right now. So basically what I need to do now to be able to transfer some of my Sweat coins in here, as you can see, to that wallet or to that exchange, then what I need to do is to actually click on transfer and then click on send. And then I'm taken to this page right here. As you can see, what I'm going to do now is to actually just paste the address that I just copied before. So I'm just going to click on paste in here. And as you can see, we're now taken to this page right here. And basically, as you can see, we found a wallet with this name. So they have actually found a wallet with this name, which is great. What I need to do now is to click on continue. So click on continue. And in here, you will be able to select exactly how many sweat coins you want to actually transfer to that wallet. So I'm just going to select one here just to demonstrate, and then click on continue. And as you can see, sending one Sweatcoin, the fee is 0 Sweatcoins, which is great. Now what I need to do is to actually just swipe it to the right in here to confirm it. And as you can see, it says like sending sweat. So I'm just going to wait a couple of seconds here for it to send. And as you can see, congratulations, your sweat was sent successfully, which is great. What I need to do now, I'm going to close this one and then go back into my Sweat Wallet again. Or sorry, I'm going to go back to my Near Wallet. And then I'm just going to refresh this website right here. So I'm just going to refresh it real quick just to demonstrate that it works. And we're just going to wait. And as you can see, my balance actually changes in here. So it definitely works. I can also scroll down. And as you can see, I now have 2 sweat. Before I had just had 1, and now I have 2 sweat on this wallet. So basically, this is exactly how to do so. So let me know in the comments below if you have any questions, and I will do my very best to try to help you. And also, please leave a like on this video and subscribe to my channel, because I'm doing a lot of helpful videos constantly that might be very useful to you. Thank you very much for watching, and I wish you an awesome day.